In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Infinity Nikki Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error on PC or laptop. So in case you're getting this error over here or something similar while trying to open up Infinity Nikki, I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly. The first thing you can do is when you get this pop-up, and sometimes it may happen that you get another pop-up window, another essentially error, opening up at the same time. And if that pop-up window has an option that says yes, so you can click yes instead of just okay, no, or continue. If you can click yes, and then your game should launch normally as it should, because sometimes that does happen. However, if you're not getting this, we're gonna fix the issue right now. So the first thing you can try doing is simply restarting the computer, and if there's any updates inside your computer, it's gonna finish up and then your game should run normally. However, if that still didn't work, we're gonna do as follows. Now we're gonna type that into Google, so Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, okay? So simply Google this. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. There we go. Google this, so Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, and then go to the first website which says latest support Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Click on it, and inside this learn.microsoft.com website, what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see over here where it says Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19, and 2022. Scroll down even more until you see latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. And what you want to do over here is essentially download the first one and the second one and install it. And the way you can do this is first where it says x86, click on it, on this link. This will download this file for you. You want to open this up, and then if you've got the option to install over here, you want to click I agree and then install. This will do everything automatically and install it for you. If you don't have the option of installation and it only says repair or uninstall, you simply want to click repair, okay? Once that's done, I'm going to close this down because I just did that. I'm going to click on this one as well, so the x64. You want to do the exact same procedure, open this up, and if it says install, click I agree and then install. But if it says repair or uninstall, you want to click repair. Now, once you've done this, what you want to do is then restart your computer, and that's very important. If you do not restart your computer, it will not work and it will still show the error. So restart your computer, wait for it to load, and then try running up the game, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.